Hello, welcome to your first video. Today, we're going to start out by talking about independent events. Independent events are events where the occurrence of one event does not affect the probability of another happening. If A and B are independent, then the probability of A and B happening is the probability of A times the probability of B. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Oh, and this is going to be where I screwed up because I didn't put in a picture of a roulette wheel. Cool. Hopefully we can do it without. So if A and B are independent, then the probability of A and B is the probability of A times the probability of B. Example 1 says, the figure below shows a US roulette wheel that has 38 numbered slots. One of the 38 compartments, 18 are black, 18 are red, and 2 are green. We're going to find the probability of red occurring on 2 consecutive plays. So I know that these are independent events because if I spin the wheel one time, that has no effect on what happens the next time. So for this first one, we want to find the probability of red and red. And to do that, we're going to do the probability of red times the probability of red. Now notice they say here there are 18 red compartments and 38 total. So the probability of red is going to be 18 out of 38. We're going to multiply that by 18 out of 38. And for this one, you multiply straight across. So you're doing 18 times 18, which gives me 324. And then you're doing 38 times 38. Oops, I divided, sorry. Which is 1,444. Again, I want to simplify that, so in my calculator, I'm going to do 324 divided by 1,444. Math, fraction, and that simplifies down to 81 out of 361, which should be your final answer. Again, find the probability of each thing individually, and then go ahead and multiply them together. All right, for my next one, we want the probability of green occurring on 2 consecutive plays. So if you look at your prompt, we want the probability of green and green. Again, we know they're independent because if I spin green first, that doesn't affect what happens the next time. We want to do the probability of green times the probability of green. Notice there are 2 green slots, so we have 2 out of 38 because 38 again is our number, our total number, times 2 out of 38. 2 times 2 is 4. We saw 38 times 38 was 1,444. I'm guessing we can divide those both by 4. Yeah, and when we do that, we get 1 out of 361. Again, to simplify, divide it by 4, or just type it into your calculator and get your final answer. All right, that is how you solve problems involving independent events. As always, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to your teacher, and thank you for watching.